up, Maki? I'm gonna see you this tiny furries dog. It's so cool. So cool. Wait for a time. Alright, here we go. So disgusting, dude. It's so disgusting. Alright. Oh, it's so cute. It's so little fluffy. What did you say? Oh. Fluffy birds. So cool. I don't know what his name. I don't know what his name, but I don't know. I don't know his name. I don't know. It's super cool, dude. It's super cool. Look in his eyes. It's too early, dude. It's cool. It's cool. I don't know what to say about that. This is Mr. Toy. I'm gonna make a food about that. It's cool. And don't forget to subscribe to Maki.